In this video, I am going to guide you on how to fix login issues on the HomeAdvisor app. Just follow these straightforward steps to get started. 1. Check your internet connection to ensure it is stable. 2. Open the HomeAdvisor app and tap Login. 3. Ensure you are entering the correct username and password. 4. If you have forgotten your password, use the Forget Password option to reset it. 5. Make sure there are no typos in your login credentials. 6. Restart your device to clear any temporary issues. 7. Update the HomeAdvisor app to the latest version. 8. Check for any HomeAdvisor server issues or outages. 9. Disable any VPN or proxy services that might block the app. 10. If the issue persists, contact HomeAdvisor customer support for further assistance. These steps should help you resolve the login issue. If you still face difficulties, feel free to reach out for further support.